Hi, Elisa. Yeah, boy. Hey guys, so as you can see by my shirt, we just drove for like 17 hours and came home from California from our church missions trip, but I've decided to be impulsive. I think I'm gonna dye my hair tonight, so I'm at Target buying hair dye. Successful. Y'all, I'm so insecure about filming, like, it's really embarrassing, okay? I'm trying my best, I swear. I am so happy to be home. I missed my bed. Hi. Hi guys, so I just went to Target, just kidding, not just went. It's 2 a.m. I just ate Chipotle. Not really tired at all, so I'm gonna dye my hair right now because I'm a little bit of an impulsive gal. So yeah. I'm dumb. Okay, so honestly, so I got my hair dyed like spring of 2017, so less than a year ago, and I'm just not like a huge fan of it. It's kind of like, I've been using purple shampoo, so it's like a little better, and honestly right now it looks terrible, so don't look at that, but it's a little better, but it's still like pretty brassy, and I'm just not a fan of it because I got it cut also, so it looks even weirder, and I just want to go back to dark her hair, so I want all of it to be like browny instead of like these weird blondish looking things, so I'm just gonna dye it all brown. So we're gonna get started. Goodness gracious, I wish I had a tripod because I'm filming on my phone because my camera's dead. I'm too lazy to get out my big camera because it's freaking 2 a.m. and I'm deciding to dye my hair. I can still go to bed at a reasonable time, which is like 4 a.m. to me, and squirt this stuff all over it. I'm just gonna rub it in. And then kind of, oh, it smells bad. Honestly, am I making a mistake right now? Guess we'll find out. Now we're gonna tinfoil this up because I feel like it. Oh, we'll use 2 pieces. Hey guys, so my hair's in a bun, but I'm showing you guys the finished producto. Basically, it just looks like my hair before I dyed it in the first place, so yeah. But I'm really happy with it. It's just like, kind of, I don't know if you can tell. It's like really dark brown in the light. It kind of looks, you can see like some brown parts still, which I'm fine with. I was just so sick of the blonde stuff. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. I feel like a new person. Not really, I kind of look the same, but yeah. Yeah, that's the finished outcome. And Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry if this video was like weird or annoying, but peace. Hope you enjoyed. See you later.